Everyone knew this place as kâniyâsihk. I asked my grandma, and she said, kâniyâsihk. She said, and she said, that place right there, kâniyâsihk. And I've never heard kâniyâsihk before. So I had to ask her, well, what is that? Where's kâniyâsihk? And she's like, she said, it's this point right here. This is the traditional name of this point. So that's where that name came from. It was a communal thing. We were sitting down with my uncles and we were wanting to get wâsakâyâsiw, like we call them. And these are young men. They serve, they pick the berries, they pick the medicines, they hunt, they trap, they fish. That's what we were trying to train within our community. The younger generation, there was this disconnect that was happening. The language was going, culture was going. As soon as we started doing the land-based programming, we started seeing the elders reconnect and the knowledge keepers reconnect. 2 years after, the young girls tapped us on the shoulder saying, we want to go picking, we want to go fishing, we want to go learning how to cut these meats and prepare them. My grandma, she laid out what was done here, what fish were prepared here, how were they prepared, how were they smoked, which woods were used, the medicines, the berries, the hides. She laid it right out there. All of our communities do have people like that, but we just need to tap into them. The one teepee represents the old teachings, the old songs, the old wâgutu and kinship to Mother Earth, the water, the old ways of knowing, the old ways of doing, the old ways of understanding, the old school stuff. The other teepee is this connectivity. We're in a space and time right now as human beings where you can see this all over the world, right? Always evolving, but always remembering where we come from. We have so many beautiful things in all of our nations. We have to share. We have to stop hiding, showing the real beauty of our cultures and our languages. They've been secret for a long time. If you keep them secret and you're not passing on that information to these young ones to carry on, they lose identity, they don't have a sense of place and belonging. Our elders are getting older and they're passing away. They take all that knowledge with them. I think what we do here is we try to share that so there's a legacy, something to be proud of. Old, young, male, female, LGBTQ, we're all related. You need everybody. If you start excluding, there's something wrong. And I think that's our secret here, is to try to be as inclusive as possible. It doesn't matter what religion, what color, what race, what gender, there's room for everybody here. And that's the way it should be.